In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube link to your Roblox profile. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you do want to add a link maybe to your YouTube channel, then to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this gear icon to open up this menu, and then click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the left hand side and click onto account info, and what you then want to do is just scroll all the way down towards the bottom and you're going to see a section to add your social networks. So you can see I've actually already added mine here, but if you want to add your YouTube channel, then just simply come across to youtube.com, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and then click the view your channel link. So that's going to take you across to your channel page. All you need to do is come up to the address bar, click, right click, and click copy, and then what you can do is come back to Roblox and paste that into the box here. Now once you've done this, click the save button at the bottom. You're going to see we're going to get a success message like this. Click onto OK, and you'll now see if I come and click onto my name, that's going to take me to my profile page. You're going to see there's a YouTube button which has been added, which people can now click on, and that's going to link them directly to my YouTube channel. So that is how to link your YouTube to Roblox profile. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.